This video is for Adam Carr. Hi everybody, thank you so much for keeping up with our channel and increasing the number of subscribers, because we are the best Mercedes-Benz channel on the web. I don't care what anybody else says about my hair that's getting increasingly longer, my beard that's kind of looks like a homeless beard, but whatever. I got a great message today from this guy named Adam. Actually, it was yesterday, but Adam drives a 350 STL and he's got 480,000 miles on it. So round of applause for Adam. And Adam's having an intermittent rough idle. It's like, where do these things come from, people? Well, there are a couple of sources of an intermittent rough idle in a 603 engine. The first one that I think of is EGR valve. If these things leak and the engine starts sucking in fumes from the exhaust at idle, or excessive fumes, especially when it's not supposed to, it starts choking, starving for air, so that could be a problem. The second thing that can go wrong is that you may have a leak in your fuel warm-up system. And the fuel warm-up thermostat is on the side of the injection pump, and there's an O-ring in the end. And if the O-ring is sucking air through, then you can develop a rough idle from that. The third one is a bad fuel filter housing, which plagues a lot of 603 diesels. If you have one of these cars and the acceleration just drops off, I mean tanks at around 3,000 to 3,500 RPMs, and just does this flat lines, it means that there's a defect in the fuel filter housing. New ones are about $65 to $80. They're a 601 part number. Mercedes has plenty of them, and so I encourage you to check these out. And then finally, if you haven't replaced things like delivery valve seals, you should probably replace those too. At 680,000 miles, there's a lot that can go wrong with the 603.97 engine. So I'm not saying that there are no mechanical problems with the engine, but it's always easier to check out the peripheral items first. So Adam, I wish you many more miles in your 350 STL, and if these leads do not help you, continue to ask us for help, because we will continue to help you. So in the meantime, thank you for taking care of your Mercedes-Benz, all of you, not just Adam, and keep subscribing to our channel, keep giving us thumbs up and liking us, and keep sharing us with your friends and family. Even if they don't like Mercedes, maybe after watching our channel, they'll want one, because that happens a lot. It's a trickle-down effect. Anyway, and in the meantime, also, if you have your own classic Mercedes, keep sending us the messages. We love to hear from you guys, and we love the positive feedback. Thank you.